Not Lihle finding out that Madlomo is pregnant. Now, of course, Madlomo had to do and say the first thing that comes out to her mind, the fact that she has lupus, and she's thinking that someone who is of her age would not be able to carry children anymore. And that's exactly what she told Lihle. But Lihle went and made her own investigations. According to Lihle, she says that she found out that someone who has lupus can definitely be able to carry babies, and tells her mom she has nothing to worry about. Now, this is so, I don't know what to say. I love the relationship between Mahlomo and her daughter Lihle. But Madlomo's decision of wanting to get rid of the baby, it scares me, because Madlomo went as far as consulting with the doctor. And I think on today's episode, that's when we're going to definitely get to see what will the doctor say to Umadlomo when she is trying to make the decision that she needs to get rid of the baby. Now, those are not the only news. The other news, on the other hand, is that Mtwenzi was told by Matebula that Matlomo is pregnant. Did we all see Mtwenzi running? Did we all see Mtwenzi running? Because Mtwenzi definitely ran, okay? Ran hard. Baby boy packed all his clothes and was ready to vanish. Now, I do want to give Mtwenzi the benefit of the doubt. Really, I do. My other mind is thinking perhaps it's panic. You get told this news for the first time, you panic, you want to pack your bags and you want to go. That's what my other brain tells me, that okay, let me give Mtwenzi benefit of the doubt. This could have to do with panic. It's not as bad. Mtwenzi is just in a panic mode. But honestly, where would he go? Where would he go? Why would you find out? The first thing you find out that your partner is pregnant, and the first thing that comes to your mind is to run. That is so crazy. That is so crazy. But yeah, that's what happened on Umtunzi. And we have Talita, whom is having her divorce finalized, and it seems like Kopolo ain't giving Talita even a penny, okay? However, Talita managed to make and organize a meeting with the CFO of Bechafela, and I think Talita is going to ask the CFO some money. Now, we do not know if the CFO will be able to give Talita some of the money, but I don't know, okay, because Toriso was ready to financially support her mom, but Talisa is like, no, I ain't about to be given handouts and be like I'm of charity or anything of that nature. No, I ain't about that life at all, okay? I am not gonna be given anything, and I'm not gonna be taken as of a charity. Now we have Tlohi. Can somebody please tell me why Tlohi always finds herself in trouble? Why Tlohi always get herself into trouble? Like, Tlohi ma'am, angeke so my darling, I am tired of you. Like, you always get yourself into trouble. Always, every chance you get yourself into trouble. So nje, at this point, I'm like, Tlohi, my girl, I am so exhausted. Like, when it comes to you, Tlohi, like, I have to tell you the honest truth. So now I've seen this strange guy that I do not even know, who is drinking pills, and Tlohi seems like he is, or rather she is closely monitoring him. And I'm like, Tlohi wa lapisa shem, yo Tlohi, Tlohi nawang lapisa shem, because why Tlohi? Like, each and every time you get yourself into trouble, like you do, and you love it, and I feel like you enjoy getting yourself into trouble. Tlohi, my girl, Clock was just in trouble not so long ago, helping some shady couples, which I think that ex has ruined her friendship with Uvuvu Umavutela. Let's talk about Mavutela being in love. Oh, Sana. Mavutela is about to find love, and I am so happy for Mavutela. I am here for the love. I'm here for all of us. I'm like, oh, Mavuti Vuti. Mavutela, I am here for you finding love. Like, that's one thing that's just gonna warm my heart. It's you finding all the love in the world. I'm here for Mavutela finding love. Like, I am here for Mavuti Vuti. Even though I do not know why Tlhoge always gets herself into trouble, but Tlhoge gets herself into trouble every chance, Kasana, every chance she makes sure she's in trouble. How and why, I do not know. But every chance that she gets, she makes sure that she gets herself in trouble. Tlhoge, what is wrong with you? Like, we need to discuss what's wrong with Tlhoge at some point. Like, we really need to discuss what's wrong with Tlhoge.
Also guys, you know, ukuba indoda endala njengoMsamseleku ushade nezingane lingana noSamke, like nje indoda enjani eshada nezingane, like ukukhipha isithunzi kwakona lokho nje, you know. So nje into eshiwo uMusa personally mina ngisayithathi angiyithathi nje serious at all. So yeah guys, anyway, umshado lento umshado kuthiwa ke umshado kaDinhle nomshado kaNhloso uyaqhubeka bazoshada. And ilontuzana indodakazi kaNhloso indaba ngiyikhohle igama lakhe uThembelihle. Yes, uThembelihle uzebe khona eyingxenye yomshado ethinininiza lapha emushadweni. And we will also get to see ukuthi uNtuthuko uyena ke umuntu nkosami ozobe ngekho happy ngokuthi uba wakhe uyashada. Kuthiwa nje uzovela evula ibhodlela, ethi bodlela nangu kumusa guysini ethi nje shwathi yeah, I disbelief mode ukuthi uMusa decided to be part of uhlelo or part of isithembu saka scandal. Like, honestly, I am in disbelief ukuthi Mosamseleku decided to be part of uhlelo loka scandal. And guys, uMusa has been trying to explain isithembu kithina sonke. So yeah, like I said, you know, I'm failing to understand ukuthi yindaba uMusa ebone ku appropriate ukuthi ebe part of isithembu saku scandal, when all these years he has been explaining Nkosami, he has been an advocate for isithembu, and we have been failing to understand ukuthi what exactly is he trying to say. Kodwa, I am so proud for uMadlomo for standing on business and putting her foot down, saying, Lalela, there is no one who's going to oppress me into isithembu. Mangingasifuni angisifuni, not even Musa Mseleku is gonna soften my heart into accepting isithembu. I'm like, good for you, and uMadlomo. Anyway guys, umshado uqhubekile lana, and many people attended. Even ngishuma kaNhloso ubese emshadweni elibe nje ehleka kancane. Sabona ke uNtuthuko ovele nje wathi yabona le ndaba idinga ibhodlela le ndaba, bele nje ngihlale phansi ngibe busy nebhodlela bese ngiyayomqonda. Indeed Nkosi yami, uNtuthuko wabantu uthenje ibhodlela kwamangala uMadlomo wathi hayibo weNtuthuko usuqale nini ukuphuza utshwala. Wathi nje uNtuthuko lalela wema uzokuthi ukungimela kancane, ongibona nje nami ngineyinkinga zami eziserious kabi. uMadlomo uthi hayibo Ntuthuko ngoba umncane uneyinkinga uyithathaphi. Uthi nje uNtuthuko wema lalela ngathi nje ufuna ukungistressa kwawena, like kwawena ngathi ufuna ukunginikeza inkinga enkulu, like ngineyinkinga mina zami eziserious. So uNtuthuko uthome semnandi kahle, semnandi sebuhlabile sebungenile uye lo yaya edidizele emshadweni. Babona bonke abantu ukuthi no ibhemile ke manje uNtuthuko Nkosi yami, uNtuthuko uzowela phezulu kwabantu, like akuyona into le yabo, into nje ebhenile, akubona usweet, akuyona into esweet, akuyona into ejuicy, akuyona into eshubile, you understand. Hayi uNtuthuko wathi no lalela nami ngizocelebrate nabantu abasemshadweni, kanti indaba mina mele ngigeze ngizocelebrate engani na umndeni omusha, yabona nje yonke into isiqondile. hayi intuthuko ngoba nkosi yami ubuhlabile strong shenxa kancane mele sayidini yabo athi nje intuthuko khohlwaye kutshela likho nje isayide ngizomela kulona ngizifuna ngila emaphakathini. Yay ziku loudspeaker and untuthuko ubonile ukuthi uyahluleka ukufesa ubaba bakhe sober wabona kahle ukuthi uzomfesa kahle edakiwe unhloso la uzosukuma asisazwe guys nginento nje ethi zizodudulana untuthuko benonhloso kodwa nkosi yami mina ngiyemzweli nje inhloso angimzweli to indlela akawenze ngawo lo mshado wakhe. Anyway guys mhlawumbe vele indeed ayikho indlela eright yokwenza isithembu nje umwenza isithembu one way or the other uzobuzwisa abantu ubhlungu and ayikho into ongathi i-right ongathi le iyona ndlela eright engayenza ngayo isithembu because at the end of the day khona umuntu ozozwa ubhlungu noma uyathanda noma uthandi kodwa khona umuntu ozozwa ubhlungu. Anyway uDinhle nkosi yami uDinhle is one brave woman against all odds gesana against bemuhleba abantu bethi hayi boDinhle ubhizi nendoda yabantu against uDinhle wathi nje soze uDinhle uthenje soze you know even when her own children abomuthabi Khanyi they just no one understood isithembu but uDinhle was like I will forever stand for what Nhloso stand for. Love that for you and Dinhle stand for what your husband stands for. And you know she also fought her way, you know she was just like this is what I want and this is what I will get and no one is gonna stand my way. I'm like I love this for you Dinhle. Love this for you mama, like really do love this for you. Even most people in the community especially uMathebula, we all know ukuthi uMathebula uclose noMadlomo came for uDinhle nkosi yami, call her names, homewrecker, whatever you want to know. Dinhle was never shaken. uDinhle was like this is my man's vision yokuba nesithembu so therefore I will gladly ngizi-insect you know ngizifake ngizi-interject phakathi within isithembu you know. So I gotta say that I do acknowledge and see ukuthi nkosi yami uDinhle really stand on business against all odds. But I don't know, I would love to say that Nhloso does love Dinhle more than he loved uMahlomo, probably, you know, probably because uMahlomo is a village girl or whatever the reason, guys, I don't know. But you know, uMahlomo did told us Nhloso was never really a loyal husband towards her, you know. Nhloso has never been loyal towards uMahlomo. So I mean, you know, and also uMahlomo did say Nhloso have cheated a lot in the past, but never has he ever expressed that he wants to marry a girl, you know. And at some point Mahlomo just thought indaba yakhe noDinhle into nje ezodlula nomoya, but ke it's led into a wedding, you know. As much as obviously singayuthandi indlela lo mshado owenzeke ngayo, but anyway umshado owabantu ababili akuwona owe community, akuwona owe group, and therefore umshado kaMahlomo nomshado kaDinhle akuwona owethu ukuthi siwuthande owabo bobabili, as long as bona bewuthanda, bona be happy and bona be content ngomshado wabo, ayikho enye singayenza. Not uMadlomo showing up in the wedding. Akodwa uMadlomo ayingeke. Madlomo why did he show up on the wedding? Why? Like why? Tell us one good reason why you showed up. Baby girl, she is not dressed, she is with uMathebula, and I'm just like, Madlomo, like I'm rooting for you, I am. But why did you show up, you know? And as much as uMahlomo ushilo lana ukuthi lalela kumphathi nje kabi indaba yokuthi umyeni wakho uyashada, usamukele ukuthi yena owakhe umshado usuphelile, umshado oqalayo lana okadinhle. But still, even if kungakuphathi kabi ukuthi umyeni wakho uyashada, but showing up ubuyaphi emshadweni. How ma angi-understand indaba kaMahlomo, and probably ngeke ngithi ngiyi-understand because angi-understand ukuthi ubeyaphi ngempela emshadweni. Mahlomo ngeke mina ngiyakujaja and then ngiyakujaja lokho ngempela, because tell me why you showed up, like why you showed up no matter like like lalela, these are two people who were not dressed up for the wedding but they still showed up. But Kesana, I gotta love Umathebula, because at this point in this difficult time, kunomuntu okumele anikeze uMahlomo support. Like someone has to be supportive towards uMahlomo. Like someone has to be a supportive structure to uMahlomo. And it was clear at some point she felt so alone, because no one was on her side, not even her own family was on her side. She just was by herself. So like tricky nkosami indaba kaMahlomo, tricky into engena size. But yeah, I am grateful kuMathebula, but I understand ukuthi ubeyaphi emshadweni. Kodwa ke guys, it is sad ukuthi umshado uzoba ne-drama, a lot of drama, but i-drama mosami angeke ize ngoMahlomo. I-drama izoza ngontuthuko ozofike engasakwazi ngisho nanokuma eseluza ibalance kuthiwa hayi bo wentuthuko awuyibambe, compose yourself, kuthiwa untuthuko uzovele ewe phezu kwekhekhe, hlapa ikhekhe kuthi kusensha yey nangu mother-in-law esmile guys, nobaba omncane naye uyahleka lana, like wonke umuntu happy, wonke umuntu happy, umuntu nje ongekho happy nkosi yami udinhle. But anyway guys, blood is thicker than water. Blood is thicker than water, and I guess it will always and forever be thicker than the water. So I'm guessing that's why mother-in-law, our very own mother-in-law, decided I will support my child in sickness, in health, and in whatever that you wanna name it, I'm guessing that's why mother-in-law decided ukuthi uzohambe support umntanakhe, even though umntanakhe because unhloso guys uyabheda indaba yokuhlala ayibo uyabheda. But anyway guys, uwo ke loyo umshado. I mean umshado did kind of prolong, I'm not even gonna lie. Bengazi nanokwazi ukuthi lo mshado uzoyenzeka, but ke umsila, this is where we at now, okay? And umshado uyenzeka. I mean angazi guys, at the end of the day, I honestly feel ukuthi ayikho indlela right yokwenza isithembu abantu bengabuza ubuhlungu, I think uma ufuna ukwenza isithembu, you must just mentally prepare yourself ukuthi definitely someone is gonna be hurt and you cannot avoid that. The only way you can avoid ukuzwisa abantu ubuhlungu ukuthi ungasiqalisi nanokusiqalisa isithembu, because at this point in time noma ungathi no indlela right yokwenza isithembu ikanje, or indlela right yokwenza isithembu ikanje, like ayikho indlela right yokwenza isithembu ukuthi abantu bengabuza ubuhlungu. Like I think it's inevitable, like it's something ungeke ukwazi ukuyibalekela. If ufuna isithembu, just be prepared ukuthi you gonna be hurting some people that you claim you care about or you claim you love, because they are definitely gonna be hurt. So at this point in time, as conclude nje ukuthi abantu abafuna isithembu abantu aba-selfish, because there is absolutely ayikho indlela right yokwenza isithembu ngaphandle kokuthi uzwise abantu ubuhlungu. So willing ukuba selfish and put your needs first and put other people's needs beside you, then you can go for isithembu. Anyway guys, do you all think uMahlomo will stay divorced? uMahlomo will not accept uNhloso, okay? Also guys, you must also remember the grass isn't always greener. Do you all know what's happening on Inimba? Even though I don't want to mix the stories, but the grass isn't always greener on the other side, okay? Kungenzeka ukuthi ugasa uNhloso ekhumbula umfazi wakhe and realizing ukuthi hey, the grass isn't always greener on the other side. Anyway, guys, this definitely does bring me to the end of the review. Now, if you do love and enjoy our reviews, you must give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will definitely see you on the next one when, of course, I am bringing you more reviews. Till then, please do stay blessed, and I love you.